Hi, and welcome to Artsy Second Sunday, and welcome to the Rolling Studio. Thank you for joining us today for this hop. Today we are prompting for the dandelions, the flowers, rain, and rain boots. So I decided to kind of do a little combo of all. So I'm also am revisiting my button doll drawings. It's been a while since I've done a little button doll, so I'm a little rusty, and I thought that I should try to do one. It's been a while. Now, last year on the Artsy Second Sunday, we also had this same type prompt, and I got a chance to start it, but I never finished it. But that project was at home on a piece of canvas, which I did not have in order to finish it. So I had to create a new one, which is cool because I really do like the other one too. So I'll probably try to paint that at home and just put it on the channel. It'll be fun. But thank you for following the hop. We have amazing artists here in this hop, and I am grateful for Martha Ayala Arts, I Love to Paint, and to Mona Lundberg, Mona Creates on YouTube. And these two ladies are the ones that keep us in line and scheduling and getting all of the details down for us to do this hop. So thank you, Martha. Thank you, Mona. And thank you to all the wonderful artists that participate in this hop. We have some amazing artists here. So please do, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and to their channels, and click the link in the description box for the next artists in the description box if you're watching this after our live chat premiere, and you will be able to follow each artist with that link. I'm going to try to put all of their links in here, but for sure click that next link in case I don't get a chance to put everybody in there. But anyways, happy spring coming up. This is March. We got spring breaks coming up, and welcome 2023 spring. Yay. So I thought that I would work and do this little denim button doll in a spring dandelion flower rain situation. I couldn't come up with a story today. I really had to do this in one night. I've been so busy with work and my my jewelry channel and my Christian Talk channel that it's been a little difficult. By the way, you can go and follow the description below and find Stefadore's Jewelry and More, and Let's Talk. I would appreciate those too. I also have a nature channel, but I've been rather neglecting it, but you can subscribe to Songs of Natures as well if you would like. But in the meantime, we've got spring, and we've got rain, and we've got dandelions, and we got flowers, and we got a little Miss Button doll going on here with her little denim dress. And I thought maybe while I was talking, I might could come up with some kind of little story, but it's morning and my mind just isn't in it. And I have to get this uploaded. I'm running a little behind, so I want to make sure that I get this loaded and sent in so that I can be a part of this hop. So I'm just going to let you enjoy the process and the music, and if something pops up into my mind, I will put it in. Until then, thank you so much for joining us here at the Artsy Second Sunday Hop. We are just 4.5 minutes into this, so this is a 10-minute video. Please stay to the very end, and make sure that you hit those like buttons and the subscribe buttons, and go view all of the other artist channels. We really appreciate you joining us every second Sunday, and follow the hashtag Artsy Second Sunday for every second Sunday we do the hop. Okay, enjoy. Hi, my name is Spring. I bring dandelions, rain, and green. As the waters flow and the flowers grow, you will know that once again it is March or so. Colors, colors everywhere. Green, blue, purple, pink, and definitely yellow is in there. The bugs are out and the locusts sing. The froggies croak and the gardens spring up. Watch me grow as the sun fills my soul. We are flowers, vegetables, and fruits, you know. Sing, sing to the spring. Rain, rain, the dandelions play. But don't forget and waste the day. Be sure to pray and say thank you, Lord, for another day. I truly hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed creating this piece, and please be sure to subscribe, comment, click the next link in the description box below, and if you're in the chat, make sure that you click that link that I'm providing for you there now. Have a blessed day. Talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for this hop, and thank you for following. And oh, I forgot to put my little sprinkles of dandelions flying away, but I added them later. Thank you. Bye-bye.